What's up, guys? About the channel. Today we're talking about the semi here, Frank here. Man, blueberries, shadow, right, Mr. Ranger truck here. My mother's car and all the stuff we got, all the projects we got laying around the house right now. So, don't know what video's coming out first. I did just finish a video up my mom's car. I don't know if I'm gonna do this video first or do that one first, but we did finish up my mom's car. It is running now. My mom's just gonna go insure it, register it, and then I'm gonna drive for a few days and just make sure that everything's safe with it, everything's good, no check engine lights, no this, no that, so she can just take it and drive it where she wants to drive it to. So that's my mom's car. That's what we're sticking with. Mr. Rango here. Rango's good. I do gotta figure out there is a leak antifreeze, so it could be one of the things we use to seal up the engine, which is the what do you call those things? The freeze plugs. So I use a universal freeze plug, and I just really rigged it just enough to basically get us to the race, which sadly is right there behind the thing there, which is the only place I can think of it dripping, but not quite sure. We'll have to see. I think I drained the engine anyways because it froze out here again when we came back from Florida. We got PD here. PD, I got a couple of videos going on for PD. I got to finish up one of the videos, but we're gonna be taking this head off. I'm getting a piston out of this damn thing because I want a piston for the engine. Like those pistons are the size of my forearm. Well, no, like, you know, lengthwise from my forearm to my hand, I think. And I just want a piston. I'm sorry. There's little things I like in life, and little things like that to have, and you know, because realistically, when's the next time we open up one of these engines? Never. Well, not never. I can't say that because we're putting that engine into that there, and who knows what we do with that engine later on. Maybe if we get into some semi-turboing, bigger turbos and things like that, and maybe blow an engine, which hopefully we don't, but you never know with that going on. You never know what happens with us. So we got Frank here. Now Frank, I swear that right wheel comes out further than the other one. If you guys tell me, you at least let me know if that looks like it is or not, because put it down in the comments, because I swear that's something wrong with that, but I'm not quite sure. But other than that, so Frank here, all we got going for Frank here is Frank's really doing nothing. Sadly, the racetrack closed near me. Then the closest one's an hour and a half away. I do plan on drag racing. I do want to take it to that one to drag race it, but I don't know if I'm gonna drag race in its current form. Now, my neighbor wants to buy the transmission out of it. I want to put a power glide in it because when I first built Frank was just Frank. It was a Frankenstein. I wanted a manual car. I wanted to build a car. I just really wanted to. A lot of bad mistakes I made doing it. But so whatever it is, long story short, I want to put a power glide in it. I want to go fast in it. I want to get hopefully some sponsors and get some stuff going on it and actually take down track and be competitive. And that's the idea of all this. Hopefully I'm gonna sell the transmission to my neighbor, which I think I'm gonna do it soon because I think I do just want to put a power glide in it. I don't really think I want to even play with the Actually, I'll probably put a Turbo 400 into this thing. That's probably what I'm gonna do. So go along. We'll see how far we get with that. But yeah. So probably go down along with that. Sell that transmission. Buy another transmission. We have the transmission downstairs that you saw us take apart, which I don't think I'll upload that video yet. Which I'll probably just have to upload that video. I mean, just finish editing it. I think I just gotta watch it. It's just a long video. I'll probably just upload that during this whole thing because I will be doing daily videos for the next 10 days at least, to a month. And then after a month, we'll see if we can keep going because I want to try to keep going. I want to try to find a bunch of car activities going on in the next hopefully month. Hopefully there's some car meets we can go to. Just go check out cars, this, that, you know. See what there is. I don't know what's going on. There's not a lot of stuff in Jersey. There's a lot of stuff in Jersey, but not a lot of stuff in Jersey. At least you can never find information out in Jersey because no one talks. If I want to go to Florida, everyone talks down there. But I swear, it's just hard to get. It's hard to get into the communities up here. But yeah. So Frank is Frank. Definitely gonna be more of the car we bring around for the shows and stuff like that. Blueberry's nothing on Blueberry. Blueberry's Blueberry. That's just my daily driver car. So some future content we're gonna be looking for to do. We're just been karting, some race karting. I'm hopefully gonna be in talk with the company and hopefully get sponsored by them. Hopefully that's my goal. To do karting with them and make content there. as well as we're gonna be doing hopefully flipping cars series basically. So hopefully we're doing some series with buying some cars. I'm trying to find another Rango with a 4.0 engine. So that's another thing. I offered the guy some money. I don't know if he's gonna take it or not. I lowballed him because I don't want to spend a lot of money on a car I'm gonna be tearing apart. So, and also it's not like the car's in perfect shape. The car has dents. It has little rot holes in the body. Transmission is half blown. It still drives forward, but it doesn't go reverse. I don't know how my gears are even in that because I think I don't know. Don't know how the transmission shifts or not, and how it makes reverse gear or not. But it might be missing some gears other than just reverse. It might be missing like a third gear, fourth gear, or whatever, how it makes the gears. So yeah, I offered him some money, low amount of money. Hopefully he takes it. If he takes it, cool. We're gonna have a whole project. And when in doubt, if it doesn't work out, I just sell the car and just I can get my money back. There's that, and there's also buying another car, which I want to either flip it or just going to scrap it and see what happens with that. And extra parts for Frank because it's a Mustang I'm looking at. So actually, I got send him a message now too, just see if he wants to. If he'll do it, I don't know. I don't really care if they don't take it. I don't have to spend money. I don't give a shit. I got enough projects. I got this thing, and we got that whole engine I still got to do. So guys, I'm going to show you guys inside this truck because I haven't really been in it for a while now. So let's hop up. Nothing really is going on inside here. Well, I don't know if I showed much of this, but we got a TV mounted up here. Got a coffee maker in here. Got some converters and stuff like that. I'm going to do like one major converter and some batteries. We got some toilet in here. We're not going to use a toilet in here. That's only because when we registered it, we didn't know if we are going to do an RV or style or not, but we'd rather register this as a personal vehicle, not a commercial vehicle. So that's what it is for now. So yeah, over here we got a fridge / freezer. It looks like a cooler. I don't know if you guys can see it because GoPro's stuck with light. Everything's off because batteries are all disconnected and everything like that. I do have to get this wire. This is the main wire that's going to run from. This is going to run to the back of the trailer. Now I forget what this is for though. Jesus Christ, I don't remember what the. Oh, I think it goes up there. Okay, I think one's a brake signal wire and one's a. Oh shoot! All right, I'm gonna have to remember that. I'm gonna have to look in my schematics I made for this. What the colors for? That was over 6 months ago. I think I made that. So actually, it was over 6 months. Oh, damn it! Yeah. So I'm gonna look up the schematics on that one. But yeah, so other than that, I'm not gonna bore you guys with too long of a video. So listen, if you guys enjoyed the video and support the channel, listen, please hit a like down below. Like I said, comment down below. Let me know if you guys think that those wheels are off in that car, because I have no idea. To me it is off. But let me know, because I really don't know. So comment down below, subscribe to the channel, do what it takes to follow your dreams, don't let them get in your way, and I'll see you guys next one.